So this is my ML350 W166 chassis. The tailgate won't open because I think the latch is actually broken, and it thinks the tailgate is open when it's actually not. So there is an emergency way to open it according to the operator's manual, and there's a little hole there. And I'm going to try to attempt it. I've tried it with a key based on the manual, but there was no way to do it with the actual key, so I'm going to use a screwdriver. Okay, I managed to unlatch it just by putting a screwdriver into here. And pretty much pushing the screwdriver this way. And I stuck the screwdriver down here and just pushed this aside. And now it's open. Okay, I just use a plastic pry tool to just pull this down, and there's a couple of screws to undo here and here, and likewise on this side. Okay, so I've just managed to pull these out. They were just held together by this clip on this side, and also one here, and a bunch of these plastic tabs. And now I just unhook this cable, and then I'll get to removing this broken latch. So I'm just comparing what's in the car right now. So you can see that little damaged bit there that I've used a screwdriver. And here's a new one. So that little hole there, somehow they expect us to put a car key in there, turn it 90 degrees and push it to the left to unlatch. I don't know how you would have been able to do that with a key. Okay, so I've unhooked this cable, and now behind here there's two screws to undo. Okay, now I just have to unhook a cable behind here. Just got to unhook this one before I can take it out. I can't do it one-handed and taking a video. Let me stop it. So this plastic thing here just slides into this slot, and the hook at the end hooks into this hole. So this is how the cable look after I've plugged it in properly, and now I'm just going to turn it the right way out and screw it into place. Okay, that's the new one installed, and here's the back of it, and this is apparently here is the emergency open button. Okay, so there's the broken one there, and the new one is installed, and I've tested it, and it works fine, which is awesome. Thanks for watching.